All right, well, folks, we've just finished filming Kathy Ellem in Central Victoria via Colour in Your Life virtual, which is pretty cool what we do these days. How was the day, and did you have any hassle setting everything up, Kathy? You did pretty well.
Yeah, well, because I've been doing the online classes, I've got the equipment and everything sort of here, and it was a little bit of finessing, but having that help with setting up the cameras was really good, and just really refining those angles and getting the advice from you guys as to how to set this all up was pretty good. Yeah, the experience was fun.
Great stuff. And now we sort of we go away, and then Sophia puts it all together, and we launch it out into our network, which is great. But you said that beforehand you had been watching us for quite some time before you made the decision to come on.
Yeah, I'd been toying with the idea for a long time, and I guess I kept talking myself out of it. And I just realised this year that with the opportunity of coronavirus and doing the online classes, so I switched to doing the online classes. I thought, well, what better avenue to promote that than through Colour in Your Life, and get that sort of growing, because I actually really enjoy the online classes and teaching, and I want to do more of it. So I feel that this is the best fit for me to try and get this thing going more. And my ideal is to actually keep finessing it and making it the best in the world if I can.
Absolutely. I mean, the fact that you just said the coronavirus opportunity,
Yeah.
it's a good way to look at it. I mean, and that's the only thing that you can do as well, because of what's happened across the world.
Yeah, look, and no one knows what's around the corner. We've been in and out of lockdown so many times in Victoria here that, you don't know whether you can move around or do anything. And there's a lot of people that don't feel safe and secure. And I've had the opportunity to teach people that are, overseas, all over the world already. And one of my big goals was to actually teach internationally. And I had no idea I'd actually be doing it from my own studio. So that's kind of the coolest goal that I've ever ticked off my list. So, onwards and upwards.
It's fantastic. A tobacco kiln in Kelly Country, Central Victoria. I mean, who knew? Honestly, that's great. Well, thanks so much for being on the show, and we've really had a great time with you. But it's been wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Graham.